Welcome back guys, my name is Srinath and today I am going to discuss about coding. What is coding? Coding. This is not as simple as its spelling. Actually coding is a separate world. So before entering into topic what is coding and what are the programming languages, have you ever wondered how a website is created or how the Android apps are created? Or have you ever thought how the games and graphics are designed, how they are built? These are made using coding. Coding is the most important part of these applications. So first of all, what is coding? Coding is nothing but it is a method or it is a way to communicate with the computers. It is a way to talk to computers. Then you ask me, why should I communicate with the computers? Why should I talk to computers? What is the need and what is the requirement to talk to computers? I have my friends, I have my relatives, I have my family, but why should I communicate with the computer? Then I have a simple question for you. What is 3 factorial? You answer it as 6. What is 4 factorial? You say it's 24. But if I ask you what is 100 factorial, what is 200 factorial, what is 500 factorial? Then it becomes a difficult task for the human. Here comes the need, here comes the requirement to talk to the computers. To perform this type of complex task, to get the result of this type of difficult task, we take the help of computers or machines. Here comes the need. We are indirectly communicating with the computer. We are indirectly talking to computer with the help of programming languages. So what are these programming languages? Programming languages are used as a medium to talk with the computers. Can we talk in English language to a computer? Will the computer understand Telugu or Hindi languages? No. The native languages for all the computers is binary language. Will the computer understand C, C++, Java, Python? Yes. But those are in English language. It can understand only binary language. But how could it understand English language? You are under misconception. The computer cannot understand any language including the English languages. Here comes the compiler. Compiler is nothing but it is a translator. That means it translates the human code into the byte code. That means the English language into machine language. That means the high level language into the low level language. The compiler or interpreter makes easy for the machine. That means it helps the machine to understand what the user wants to communicate or what is the task given by the user. So without compiler or interpreter, it is nearly impossible to communicate with the computer. So what is the use of coding? Why should we learn coding? So, if you want to design an Amazon or Flipkart or Myntra or OTT platforms, or simply if you want to design this type of smartwatches, of course the smartwatch consists of electronic devices and electrical appliances, but this functioning is based on coding. This is not possible without coding. So nowadays the technologies are increasing day by day. There are more number of sources available to learn the coding. So this smartwatch has coding in it. The modern televisions have coding in it. The mobile applications. So nowadays each and everything consists of coding. Without coding, it is a very difficult task to live in this modern world. So the future technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning and cyber security, Internet of Things, data science, so all these are coding. So if you want to learn coding, the basic languages are C, C++, Java and Python. So of course we have Turtle and advanced Python modules such as Kinter, Pandas, NumPy. So if you want to learn all these languages, you need to learn the basic languages first, such as C, C++, Java and Python. So we have many sources in the YouTube, in the Google. So try to learn those courses. So if you want to get a good placement, if you want to crack the top MNC such as Google, Microsoft, Flipkart, Amazon, Facebook, Meta, So if you want to be a part of these companies in the future, then you must be a master in the coding. You must be able to develop the applications such as the YouTube or Google Chrome. You should have the idea of how to develop these applications. So every beginner, every master was once a beginner. That means everyone will start from the basic and reach to the advanced level. So I hope everyone will learn the programming languages and become master at it and become successful in their life. So do hard work and stay consistent.